I'm starting.
Okay, I am super excited to share this with you guys. This is gonna be probably a shock to a lot of y'all because is this a multi-level marketing thing? I don't know. I think so. I think the people who told me about it says it's not really, and I love them to death, have a ton of respect for them. But I think probably it is an MLM. I asked ChatGPT, so I don't know if you can trust that or not. But yes, I am going to give a very honest review because I've wanted to try this for a long time. And to be honest, another thing you might be surprised by is because y'all know I can be a hater sometimes. But we actually have purchased a good bit of stuff from MLM type things, right? Like shout out Tupperware, shout out my mom 40 years ago. What was it called? Home interiors or something? We had these golden butterfly things on the wall. I know y'all were doing these parties. That had to be MLM. MLM? Yeah. Anyways, I bought a rainbow vacuum cleaner. That might be MLM. I'm not 100% sure. But rainbows are legit. Now, should I have spent $2,500 on a vacuum cleaner? Okay, I don't know. But here we are, 10 years later, and that rainbow, it will run circles around you. Okay, I'm gonna just tell you that right now. That rainbow cleans things you didn't know were dirty. Okay? We buying, oh, you know I bought some Plexus drink stuff. I can't even remember all the stuff I've drank. But anyways, so Melaleuca is a wellness product. I think it's like supplements, some maybe, I don't really know. But also the things I was interested in was cleaning, right? Now, some folks that I'm close to have a difference of opinion on, they think it's kind of a hype and fad about getting the toxins out of your house. Some folks think that's more of a fad and we shouldn't really be that concerned. And maybe that's true. I don't know what to think. But I do have for a long time thought, yeah, I don't know about the bleaches and all the random stuff, the chemicals that we're bringing to our house. So I had the opportunity with a person that I trust had asked me about looking into it. And so I purchased it because, again, I'm not against MLMs as far as if you actually like the product, if you believe in the product, and you're not just trying to recruit people. So the thing about this video is I'm going to give you an honest opinion about Melaleuca. This is the first video. I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm going to come back later and give you my opinions on the products themselves. Now, this was an introductory price for me because it was my first purchase. I think it was like half off or 40% off. So I spent almost $110-ish, I think. And it all came in these two boxes because I got one thing for free. So again, this is the Wellness Store, I think is the name of it, but it's from Melaleuca. And so we're going to unbox it. Now, you say, looks like it's already been unboxed. Well, yes, it has already been unboxed because I did this last night, but my wife told me I said the CRAP word, crap, too much. And I do probably say that word too much, so we're having to go at it from a second time. First of all, the thing I got for free that I'm really excited about is called Renew Dry Skin Therapy. And actually last night and tonight I have put this on me. I've been dealing with some issues here on this side of my face that's been there for a long time. Tried to buy some other stuff. It was no good. I don't even know that this is saying that it's supposed to help my old acne scar issues that keep flaring up. And so it's old acne and new acne and who knows what else. This actually might be bad for that. So, but I had heard about this and how it had helped some people with maybe psoriasis or something else, or it's either this one or one like it that says Renew. So I'm gonna report back. That came for free. And then you get all kind of other stuff. This is, if you didn't know what word I'm saying, can you see it, Natalie? Melaleuca, yeah. That's the brand. Again, is it an MLM? I'm thinking basically yes. But they really, from what I can tell, really believe in their products. They've, you get all kind of magazines. Then we start talking about the things that I am interested in. Now, you're going to see, when I show you this, a lot of bottles about yay size. And you might think to yourself, okay, how are you paying $110 to replace cleaning supplies with things like this, right? This is a disinfectant. But what it is this concentrate, okay? Now, for you men that don't understand how to clean stuff that's concentrate, you need to concentrate. You take this, you pour this into this about yay much, I don't know, it's different options, maybe how strong you want it to be. But you pour a little bit of this into the bottom of this, then you fill it to the fill line, shake that thing up. And so this is gonna create a few, maybe several of these. So yes, it is gonna take some time to add up, right?
With
so then,
water?
Yeah, you start with this to the bottom of this right here, and then fill to here. You don't need to zoom a lot. But, so therefore, they send you all the supplies. We'll talk about this in a minute. Because you're gonna be, basically, from concentrate, you're gonna be filling up all your cleaning supplies, and we're trying to get rid of the chemicals. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Now, again, people that I love sometimes talk about how, man, this chemical thing is overplayed. It ain't that bad. It ain't that serious. But it's been on my mind for a while. And so here we are. It is, for example, there is one. Okay, let me show you the other ones. Y'all bear with me. It's a lot of stuff in this box, okay? And I have been pumped about this. This is laundry detergent, okay? And it is...
That's not a lot of laundry detergent.
It's not a lot of laundry detergent, Nat, okay? You're right about that. But see, what you forget is, we doing it again. It's concentrate.
Wait, that is...
It's concentrate.
What?
It's concentrate. I'm telling you, just when you think it ain't much, this says 96 loads. I mean, how is that possible?
So wait, but
1/3 ounce. Add 1 pump along with Melaleuca
what's Melaleuca?
to the detergent. We're going to figure this out in a minute, y'all. We ain't got time for all this. Oh, Melaleuca is right here. You asked, I delivered. We talking 96 loads. I'm thinking you put 1 pump of this. You could do 2 pumps if you got a lot of issues. But anyways, I'm pumped about this as well, because we're going to be getting the clothes clean, and we're going to stop using all these dang chemicals. Can I say dang? I got to be careful. I'm going to be in trouble again. They running a tight ship around here. Now look, this right here, this I'm excited about. This is lemon stain remover. You know, this is for all kind of stuff. Anything with stains on it. Furniture, clothing, fabrics, floors, carpet, you name it. We got 4 kids. We're having a lot of stain issues. But here's the thing. This does not have any bleach, ammonia, formaldehyde. I thought formaldehyde was for dead people. We've been putting formaldehyde in our cleaning supplies. Come on, people. This does not have chlorine, ammonia, formaldehyde, parabens, and some phthalates. Okay, I don't know how you say it. PHTH. Who starts a word with PHTH? PHTH. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all these words. We're not putting any of this crap. We're not putting any of this stuff in our cleaning supplies, okay?
Volume now? Is that how you say
Now, toilet bowl. You know your toilet bowl stink. Y'all need to be honest with yourselves, okay? You know your toilet bowl stinks, okay? And we going 99% biodegradable stuff right here, right? You put a little bit of something under the rim, scrub, flush, whatever. Okay, that's for the toilet bowl. Next. This is for the laundry. I don't need, I ain't that worried about that. But hey.
I think they're papers that you like.
Yeah, I think it's for the laundry. This is in French, folks.
What?
They done sent me one in French. Here it is. Fabric softener. Oh, I bet Melaleuca is French. Anyways, Melamagic. This is heavy duty cleaner. 4 times concentrated. If you have duty and it is heavy, you gonna want this Melamagic. It is a heavy duty. Don't laugh now. I'm serious. If your duty, don't laugh. Don't laugh, man. If your duty is heavy, you gotta have this heavy duty cleaner. And again, this is insanity, guys. You say, how you paying $110 for these little bottles? This is 110 no, wait, let me back up. This is 32 gallons. This makes 32 gallons of heavy duty cleaner. Now I'm gonna report back. If this stuff is trash and this stuff don't work, I'm gonna tell you straight.
Like if it only makes 10 gallons?
Well, that too, but I'm saying if it doesn't really work. This is a fruit and vegetable wash. Y'all, they spraying all kind of CRAP on our fruits and vegetables. We're gonna wash them. I didn't know you needed to wash fruits and vegetables. Maybe it's a scam, maybe you don't. But some of y'all probably eating a bunch of formaldehyde Y'all ain't even gonna need to go to the funeral home when you die. You already got so much formaldehyde inside of you. And again, I don't know what I'm talking about, okay? Do not sue me. This is another Tough and Tender 12X. 12X, folks. I don't really know what 12X means, but this is 12X Tough and Tender. And if you can be tough and tender, that's a good man right there. That's what my wife always said. You got to be tough and tender. Now, this is tough. Thank you right here, tub and towel. Y'all know, especially you men that do the shower, y'all know your shower starts stinking. Let's just be honest. Let's call it like it is. We're going to start spraying the shower down. I got to spray my shower down. I already know. We're going to get that clean. What else we got? This is the laundry stain remover. Y'all, I keep spilling the stinking salsa on my polos at the Mexican restaurant. What am I going to do? Stop going? Pfft, I ain't stopping going to the Mexican places. Take my money. But these spot removers, I got to have it. I got an Izod polo just a few months ago that is so beautiful, and it's got a stinking drop. You know, I'm getting frustrated.
Is that concentrate too?
Oh, girl. I'm telling you right now, this is 4X concentrate. Boom. What you need? What do you need for your pure spot concentrate? You need a pure spot spray bottle. And we got you covered, homie. Now, one more thing, because the bottles just keep coming. Oh, come on. Hey, touch your neighbor and say lemon bright. Amen. Thank you, Micah. Touch your neighbor and say clean, squeaky clean.
Clean, squeaky clean.
That's what I'm talking about. We are going to wash dishes with this.
And I'm assuming that's concentrate too.
Girl. This actually might not be concentrate.
Oh, well, that's not very big.
You're not wrong. We're going to see how this goes. But this says one bottle has enough cleaning power to clean 500 dishes. Now, they didn't probably have 4 children in their family at Melaleuca. But we're going through it. Now, we also have a little bit of soap. Again, this is not concentrate, so that ain't going to go too far.
So that's hand soap?
Hand soap. This is multi-surface wipes. Micah was looking for some of these the other day, and guess what he said? Do we have any Clorox wipes? Or what do you call them?
Yeah, Clorox.
Lysol.
Or Lysol. What?
Do we have any Lysol wipes? We don't. It came with these little scrub things. Whatever, you know. Probably get those in China. No offense. No, I think it's all American made. No, it can't be American. Is it all American made? Somebody gonna have to tell me. What? Bro, I might have made that up about French. Though honestly, some of it was, I think, in French.
It says USA Today, most trusted brand.
Yes, a USA Today most trusted brand. They probably paid them to say it, though. Hey, this is an honest review. I'm giving you my honest opinions. All you Melaleuca people probably gonna come out of the woodworks and be mad at me, but this is gonna be an honest review. Because I am pumped to try this. This is glass wipes. Oh my goodness, guys. My children, when they brush their teeth, they spray the mirror with toothpaste. What is happening?
That's the boys.
Yeah, well. Oh, don't let me forget our dishwasher. We have upgraded our dishwasher to I forget the name of it.
Bosch?
Kyle Bosch? I mean, what was Bosch's name? Chris Bosch, NBA player. Y'all wouldn't know that life. Diamond Bright. This is going to... Dude, this removes 24 hours stuck on food. Bro. Casserole dishes. We're going to try it.
And if it doesn't work, you will know.
We have upgraded our dishwasher to the Germans, I guess. That's Bosch. But anyways, we got all the little bottles. Well, I'll let you know if those work or not. You know, I'm sure they probably worth about $1 or how much. You know, I'm not trying to act like it's that amazing. This, I really don't know where this goes. Natalie, you're going to have to probably figure that out later.
Wait.
But we got all the lids.
It probably...
Where's this little guy go?
Wait.
All right, we'll figure all that out later. But anyways, so here's the deal. How does Melaleuca work? You recruit people to sell it. You make a little bit of money on there. To be honest, I don't know. Because I'm not trying to recruit none of y'all. Like I said, we have purchased things that are from what I think is MLM. We bought Tupperware. I know my wife's bought fingernails. What'd y'all buy? You know. You remember
they're like
that.
stickers.
The stickers, fingernails, all of that stuff was multi-level marketing, I'm pretty sure. Makeup, Mary Kay, Avon, however you say it.
Maybelline.
And of course, I ain't going to name them, but my friends in Georgia, I think, so homeboy's wife probably done sold about $400 million worth of plexus. I mean, no hate from me. I'm impressed. But this is not me trying to recruit you to sell it. This is not me recruiting you to buy it. Though, if I like it, that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to give you a link and tell you to start buying this stuff. So I'm going to give an honest review. Again, this was like $110, but I think that was like 40% off or something because I was new. So, Natalie, what are we forgetting? We got it all?
I think so.
Okay. I'm going to let y'all know. Much love.